Is your Kidde smoke or carbon monoxide alarm beeping incessantly? It's a common issue, often stemming from battery problems, false alarms, or sensor faults, especially with recalled models. To stop the beeping, first, press and hold the Test Reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to silence the chirp. Then identify the cause. Check if your model is part of the ongoing recall affecting over 11 million units due to sensor and battery defects. If it is, contact Kidde immediately for a free replacement. Remember, unreplaced recalled units pose a significant fire safety risk, so act promptly. If not under recall, proceed to troubleshoot. If your Kidde alarm isn't recalled but keeps beeping, common causes include dust on the sensors, high humidity, or dead batteries. To fix this, vacuum the sensor vents to remove dust. Replace batteries if they are removable. For sealed 10-year batteries that fail prematurely, contact Kidde for free replacement under their recall program. Avoid placing alarms near kitchens, bathrooms, or vents to reduce false alarms from cooking fumes or humidity. Test your alarm monthly to ensure it works properly. If the beeping continues after cleaning and battery replacement, the alarm may be defective and needs replacement, especially if it's a recalled model. DIY fixes aren't reliable. Also, replace it if it's past the expiration date printed on the back or side, regardless of beeping.